Hello, I'm Nigel Palfrey and we're opening the gardenings for St Margaret's Hospice. On one side of my family they have had cancer, and your treatment in there, it was my sister actually, you were absolutely wonderful.
And I think the important thing for St Margaret's, it's a local charity, and this is what a number of people have said to me.
Yes.
This is what is important. It's a local charity that most families have been touched with that dreaded sea, and St Margaret's is always there, and it's very important.